Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Measure and arrange ingredients before you start. 2 cups chocolate chips, 1 14 Oz sweetened condensed milk, 4 tablespoon butter, 1 tsp vanilla, a pinch of salt, and optional 1/2 cup chopped nuts. Line an 8-inch square pan with foil and lightly butter the foil so fudge lifts out cleanly. No oven is needed. Use a heavy saucepan and silicone spatula and set the stove to medium-low heat. Having everything measured speeds the process and prevents scorching. Place the saucepan on medium-low heat and add chocolate chips, condensed milk, and butter. Stir constantly so the chocolate melts evenly and does not burn. Total active stirring time is about 6-8 minutes until the mixture is smooth and glossy. Remove the pan from heat and stir in 1 tsp vanilla and a pinch of salt, then beat vigorously for 1-2 minutes to cool it slightly and improve texture. Pour the fudge into the lined 8-inch pan and smooth the top quickly with allow the filled pan to cool briefly on the counter, then transfer to the refrigerator and chill for about 2 hours until firm. When set, lift the foil to remove the fudge block and place it on a cutting board. Use a sharp knife to cut into 16 even squares, wiping the blade between cuts for clean edges. Store pieces in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days, refrigerate for up to 2 weeks, or freeze for up to 1 month. Thawing at room temperature before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.